Hello, this is your Mom Shimara. Welcome to my channel. Hello, we are here at Tagaytay. Right now we are here in Balaydaco by Antonio's, a restaurant from one of the restaurants at Tagaytay. This is the place. See, there's so many visitors right here. Okay, now we're going to the entrance. Lolo Papa, Pa. Hi. Wow. Wow, nice. Sige lang. Siguro grupo sila, no? Ganda ng kanyang ano yan? Harley. Wow, nice ng Harley niya. Ito BMW. Oh, all of them were Harley. Wow, nice. Diba? This is the place. One meter daw. Ay, sorry. Hello pa. Say hi. Dayan. Dayan. Kumaway ka naman. Waiting pa tayo. Hindi pa pwedeng pumasok. Ayan, meron din silang foot bath and alcohol. Okay. Of course, standard. Ayan, scanning. Hello, thank you. Alright, ganda ng chandelier. This is the entrance. Then, meron din sa baba. Wait lang pa. Wait lang. Okay. Going upstairs. Sa kanila sa taas. Ayan. Masyadong liwanag.
Ito dyan.
Sa gilid. Sa gilid, wala. Sa gilid. Here's so many customers right here eating their lunch. Here's the Taal Volcano. See? Yan po yung Taal Volcano as of now. Yung white na yon, yung mga laban na lumabas na natuyo. And around here, the vicinity, it's greenery. See? Around the Taal volcano. See? Closer. Ayan, ang Taal volcano. And the lake. And the lake. Ayan yung lake. Okay. Hi, Dayan. Hi pa. Pa-picture tayo. Veranda. I think this is the veranda. So many customers, foreigners are here. There. Sige. Okay. Pero nice pa rin siya. After 8 months ako nakarating dito. Now we're done. Ayan. This is the bar. Di pa, sa baba pupunta. Oo. Yeah, and this is also, yeah, okay. Yeah, this is the Balay Dako. You can get here, okay. So that's it. Ayan. Ito yung pancakes nila. Ayan. And ayan. Ice cream. Ayan. You like ice cream? Yeah. Okay. The lobby. Alright. And now we're done. Okay. Tapos na siya, Tagaytay Icon. Thank you for watching. Salamat po muli sa panonood ninyo. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe and i-click niyo rin po yung notification bell para po every time na mag-upload po ako ay ma-notify po kayo. Salamat pong muli at sa susunod po na video. Bye!